All right, TikTok. Today we're gonna play my game, Who versus Who, where I pick a subject out of my magic bucket, and then we're gonna talk about it. Today, it's the first. I think I only did it one time. This is how special it is. And also, so that keep things factual and I won't get sued, I got my laptop right here with Google. So, and I still have my First Amendment rights, and I live in the Dominican Republic. So, you know, it's hard to find me. Let's get it started. Today we have battling Destiny's Child versus SWV and Three Little Women. So you got two groups battling one group. And I'm not, what did I say? I said Destiny's Child. I didn't say Beyonce. So we're not going to cover none of Beyonce's hits. It's just going to be Destiny's Child against SWV and 3LW. All right. Let's start off with, see, because art is so subjective, because I'm an artist, I know that. So I'm a numbers guy. I live and die by numbers. I'm Sharon Moreland's son. Ask about my mama. Let's go with numbers. All right? So, the first matrix is how many Grammys does Destiny Child have? Let's look it up. See what we got here. Oh no. Oh, there we go. There it is. Okay. So here, let's take this apart. Destiny Child. List of awards and nominations received by Destiny's Child. 1 American Music Award. 2 BET Award. No. Is that right? No. They have an American Music Award, a BET Award, a Billboard Award, a Blockbuster Entertainment Award, a Brit Award, a EMMA Award, a Glamour Award, a Grammy Award, a NAACP Image Awards, a Nickelodeon Kids Award. Let's see. Hold on for a minute. Are these nominations or wins? I want to see wins only. We're running out of time. I might not be able to do this to y'all. This is complex. I'm gonna bit off more than I can chew on this one. Oh, here we go. Wins. There we go. Okay, there we go. Fun fact. All right, here we go. Awards and nominations. Destiny's Child, according to Wikipedia, Destiny Child awards and nominations. Wins 117, nominations 268. So keep track of that in your notes. All right, let's put in SWV. right? Let's put in awards and nominations. SWV Awards. This might have to be a two-parter. Yeah, I'm gonna take my time. SWV Awards. Let's see where we're at. All right, here we go. All right, so background information. Got some awards. I don't like the way this is set up. And I don't want to be subjective. All right, let's look at 3LW. Three LW. American Girl Group. All right. Let's see what they do. Awards and nominations. This is awarded to nomination now. Wow. You know what? This is the first time ever we're going to have to declare a draw because I don't have enough information. Yes, I do. No, I rescind that. Let's go with Impact. Survivor. Can you, off the top of your head, name me 3 Destiny Child songs and 3 3LW songs? Right now, in the comments. 3 of them. What group turned one person into the second biggest person on the planet, and she's married to the first biggest person on the planet? Who did that? I almost threw in the towel. Oh my goodness, I'm tripping. I ain't need no doggone computer. Slow me down. Who sings better? Talk about it in the comment. It's subjective. Break each member down, pound for pound. That's what we do on this channel. Pound for pound. Put each person, line them all up in a row, every single woman, and have a singing contest. Who gonna win? And I'm talking about out of Destiny's Child, each one of them, Beyonce, Kelly, Michelle, will destroy both of those groups, individually and together. So I gotta give it to Destiny's Child. I'm Homegrown Tone, and I'm out.